Imagine instead of just millions, we have like hundreds of millions of NFT players. How can infrastructures like Avalanche support them?
I think that comes with the fundamental structure of Avalanche. We actually have three chains. So we have X chain, which is for asset creation transfer, and we have P chain for platform and staking, and we have C chain for smart contract, which is Solidity EVM. So on that front, for the action P chain, it's a DAG structure, so the speed is really fast. If you check our scan, you can see that the finality it's around 0.8 second. So even with large transaction with huge volumes, the system is able to hold that kind of transaction. The TPS now is at 4,500. So I think with that amount of transactions, any amount of user experience are gonna be great. And on top of that, actually, if there are projects that they want to customize their platform, we actually have subnets. So a lot of people does not know we can create subnets to create their own space, and they can customize their fees and transactions. So I think for NFT or game type of projects, they can explore that type of function as well. So the speed is not a problem. The customization is not a problem. So I think it's a great opportunity for them to come and build.
Great. Yeah, because the last thing you want is a user complaining, why is this so slow? So
Especially in the gaming world, right?
Yeah,
They come from a different background and it's always fast.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
it's
Yeah,
always
it is,
fast. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. So like moving forward, what I love about the NFT space is it's just something new every single day, for good or bad, or even weird.